In this video, we will discuss creating a pressure network from objects. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file, creating a pressure network from objects.dwg, located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this Dataset video. Civil 3D provides tools to creating pressure networks from existing AutoCAD objects. Let's go ahead and examine this functionality. I'm going to zoom into my drawing, and you'll notice we have this polyline with a width. It's on layer 0, and we're going to make this a pressure network object. This is an existing pressure network object that we want to bring in so we can tie in eventually to our proposed waterline. To create a pressure network from an object, go to the Create Design panel in the Home tab, Pipe Network dropdown, and select Create Pressure Network from Object. Again, look at the command line when you don't know what to do. It asks you to select an object. Also notice the option to select an XREF. This is fantastic if you have your data in an existing DWG file. We'll go ahead and select this existing object. Notice how it shows you the direction that it wants to create the network in. You can reverse it by selecting reverse. In this case, we're all set. Let's go ahead and click OK. You are then prompted for the name of the network, as well as all the default settings that you would normally expect to have to set up when you create a Civil 3D object. We want to use the network parts list. We want to select 10-inch, 250 PSI. Click on the layers to make sure and verify that these are the layers that you'd want your pipe network parts to go on, in the plan, in the profile, and the section view. You can change these afterwards if you want to, but it's always a good idea to do this right off the bat. Click OK. Define the surface that you want this to come off of. In this case, we have the finished ground, which is the combined road and existing ground surfaces. An alignment if you want to have station and offset labels, so you would select that. The most important thing is the depth of cover. If you did happen to have a 3D polyline, you could select Use Vertex Elevations, and you could define what that elevation pertains to with the existing pipe network object. In this case, we want a depth of cover of 5 feet. And we'll toggle on Erase Existing Entity, and we'll go ahead and click OK here. As you can see, our pipe network object is created. Let's go ahead and view it in 3D. I'll select one of the pipes, as well as the elbows, and we'll right-click, select Similar, right-click, Object Viewer. We'll go ahead and change our style to a shaded type style, and as you can see, this is a true 3D object. This is what makes using this functionality fantastic, is that it actually generates true 3D parametric models. Let's say we want to actually view this in a profile view. Civil 3D provides tools to do this. We'll go to the Alignment dropdown, and we'll go to Create Alignment from Pressure Network. Again, look at the command line window. It's asking you for the first pressure network part, and we'll go ahead and select this part here. And then we'll pan to the last network part. Note that you can actually select somewhere in the middle if that's all that you want to see for your pressure network. In this case, we want to see the whole thing, so we'll go ahead and select it, and then we'll press Enter. And then you're prompted to define the default settings for the alignment here. We'll go with the default name, which is alignment, and then the pressure pipe network name. Stationing is fine. As far as the style, we'll just use basic. As far as labels go, we'll say no labels because we don't want to see the labels. And make sure you have on Create Profile and Profile View in here. Click OK. Notice how you are now prompted to create a profile from the surface first. In this case, we want Finished Ground. We'll go ahead and click Add. And then we'll go ahead and click on Draw on Profile View. Then select the appropriate profile view style. In this case, we want no grid pipe network. Keep clicking next here to go through the different options. Make sure that you have labels set to no labels in the profile display options section. And for style here, we'll go ahead and select a basic profile. Click OK, click next, and notice how you can toggle on the different parts of the pressure network. We'll go ahead and click on Create Profile View, and we'll just put this profile view over here. And here is our pressure network along with the finished grade surface.